I'm Rifa Akhtar, the founder and CEO. I mainly work in vision and strategy.
I am Rezal Kobir, founder and COO. I handle project management and field operation.
I am Shitarani, CMO of Shedraview. I manage our marketing and branding strategy.
Hey Rifa, what can we do?
We are creating something new from agriculture wastage.
Our goal for the national round is to present this innovation to all of Bangladesh.
See you on May 8th at Kuwait.
We are ready.
Are you?